Welcome to this quick and practical guide on SAP Production Planning. In the next 10 minutes, you will clearly understand what SAP PP is, how it works, and why it is one of the most important modules in manufacturing companies. Whether you are a beginner, a student, or a professional looking to strengthen your SAP knowledge, this video is designed to give you a complete overview without any confusion. We will cover the core concepts, key processes, important transactions, and real business benefits in a simple and structured way. By the end of this video, you will have a solid foundation in SAP PP. Let's begin this learning journey together. SAP PP stands for Production Planning. It is a core module in SAP ERP that helps companies plan, execute, and control their manufacturing processes. From creating production orders to managing materials and monitoring shop floor activities, SAP PP plays a central role. It ensures that the right products are manufactured at the right time, in the right quantity, and with the right resources. The module connects demand from sales with supply from production, making the entire manufacturing process more efficient and transparent. In simple words, SAP PP is the digital brain that drives production activities inside an organization and helps businesses stay competitive in today's fast-moving market. Learning SAP PP is valuable because almost every manufacturing company uses some form of production planning system. SAP PP helps organizations reduce production costs, minimize inventory, and improve on-time delivery. It gives managers real-time visibility into production status and capacity utilization. When companies implement SAP PP correctly, they can respond faster to customer demands and avoid shortages or overproduction. For professionals, knowledge of SAP PP opens strong career opportunities in manufacturing, supply chain, and consulting roles. Understanding this module makes you more valuable in the job market and helps you contribute effectively to business operations. That is why SAP PP remains one of the most in-demand skills today. SAP PP is built on several important components that work together seamlessly. The main elements include master data, bill of materials, work centers, routings, and production orders. Master data forms the foundation. Bill of materials defines the product structure. Work centers represent the machines or resources. Routings describe the sequence of operations. Production orders control the actual manufacturing process. When all these components are properly maintained, the system can plan materials, schedule production, and track progress accurately. Understanding how these pieces connect is the first step to mastering SAP PP. In the next sections, we will explore each of these components in a clear and practical way. Master data is the backbone of SAP Production Planning. It includes material master, bill of materials, work centers, and routings. The material master stores all information about products and components. Bill of materials shows which materials are needed to build a finished product. Work centers define the resources like machines or labor. Routings explain the step-by-step manufacturing process. Accurate master data is extremely important because every planning and execution activity depends on it. If master data is incomplete or incorrect, production plans will fail. Therefore, maintaining clean and updated master data is one of the most critical responsibilities in SAP PP. A bill of materials, or BOM, is a structured list of all components, raw materials, and assemblies required to manufacture a finished product. In SAP PP, the BOM defines the product structure in a hierarchical way. For example, a bicycle BOM would include the frame, wheels, handle, and smaller parts. BOMs can be single-level or multi-level depending on the complexity of the product. They are used by material requirements planning to calculate component quantities. Accurate BOMs help avoid material shortages and reduce production delays. Creating and maintaining BOMs correctly is essential for smooth manufacturing operations in any organization using SAP. Work centers represent the physical or logical places where production activities take place, such as machines, assembly lines, or labor groups. Each work center has capacity, cost, and scheduling information. Routings, on the other hand, define the sequence of operations required to manufacture a product. A routing links operations to specific work centers and includes standard times. Together, work centers and routings allow the system to calculate production time, capacity requirements, and manufacturing costs. When these are maintained properly, SAP can create realistic production schedules and help planners avoid bottlenecks on the shop floor. Material Requirements Planning, or MRP, is one of the most powerful functions in SAP PP. MRP calculates what materials are needed, in what quantity, and when they are required. It considers current stock, open purchase orders, sales orders, and production plans. Based on this data, MRP generates planned orders for production or procurement. Running MRP regularly helps companies maintain optimal inventory levels and avoid both shortages and excess stock. In simple terms, MRP answers three key questions: what do we need? How much do we need? And when do we need it? This makes MRP the heart of efficient production planning. A production order is the central document that controls manufacturing in SAP PP. The life cycle begins when a planned order is converted into a production order. Next, the order is released so that materials can be issued and work can start. During execution, operators confirm the operations as they are completed. After confirmation, goods are received into inventory, and the order is finally settled and closed. Each stage is important for tracking costs, progress, and material consumption. Understanding this complete life cycle helps you manage production efficiently and ensures that every manufacturing activity is properly recorded in the system. Capacity planning ensures that the available resources are sufficient to meet production demand. In SAP PP, capacity is checked at work centers based on the operations defined in routings. Planners can see overload or underload situations and take corrective actions such as shifting orders or adding extra shifts. Finite and infinite capacity planning options are available depending on business needs. Effective capacity planning prevents delays, reduces idle time, and improves overall equipment effectiveness. When capacity is managed well, companies can deliver products on time while using their resources in the most efficient way possible. There are several important transaction codes every SAP PP user should know. CA01 is used to create bill of materials. CR01 is for creating work centers. CA01 helps create routings. MD01 or MD02 is used to run MRP. CO01 is for creating production orders, and CO11N is used for order confirmation. These transactions form the daily working tools of production planners and shop floor users. Learning the purpose of each transaction makes navigation in SAP much easier. With regular practice, these codes become second nature and help you work faster and more confidently in the system. Integration with other modules. SAP PP does not work in isolation. It is tightly integrated with other modules such as materials management, sales and distribution, quality management, and finance. Demand comes from sales, materials are procured through materials management, quality checks are handled by quality management, and costs flow into finance and controlling. This strong integration ensures that data remains consistent across the entire organization. When one module updates information, related modules reflect the change automatically. Understanding these integration points helps you see the bigger picture and work more effectively across different business processes. Benefits and business impact. Implementing SAP PP brings clear business benefits. Companies experience better inventory control, reduced production costs, and improved on-time delivery performance. Real-time visibility into production status helps managers make faster and better decisions. Shop floor efficiency increases because of accurate planning and scheduling. Material shortages and excess stock are minimized. Overall, SAP PP helps organizations become more agile and customer-focused. For professionals, mastering this module enhances career growth and opens opportunities in manufacturing and supply chain domains. The business impact of SAP PP is significant and long-lasting when it is implemented and used correctly. Congratulations! You have just completed a complete overview of SAP Production Planning in only 10 minutes. You now understand the key concepts, core components, important processes, and major benefits of SAP PP. This knowledge gives you a strong foundation to explore the module further or apply it in real business scenarios. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more practical SAP content. Feel free to comment below with your questions or topics you want to learn next. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Keep learning and growing.